lovely to see you. Welcome to another one of our virtual special mention assemblies. So I'm going to see what good work you've all been up to this week. Let's start by saying good afternoon to everybody. So you ready? Good afternoon, everyone. Diane and Gymraeg. Brynham da, pawb. Well done. Let's light our candle so we know that Special Mention Assembly has started. So it's time to listen. So you show me that you're listening. Let's do good sitting and good listening. Are you ready? Now we've had some lovely news this week. We've had some really good news from one of our families. So have a look and see if there's a clue here that tells you what good news we've had. That's right, somebody's had a new baby. And that's Yui's mum. So congratulations to Yui for being a new big brother. Lovely news. Well done to you all. Lots of love. Here's a congratulations picture from Mika, but not just Mika and Abby. Joshua and all the children in Dustbath Porthor are really happy for you, Yui. So big clap to you all and lots of love from all the Riverbank family. So somebody this week has done some lovely drawing and writing. Let's see if we can find out who. Kevin, your nan tells me that you've been doing some lovely writing and you're particularly enjoying writing Grandad's nickname all over the place. Is it right that you call him Bam Bam? That's lovely. Well done to you, Kevin. See who else is here. Heidi. Look at the picture that Heidi's done for us on Purple Mash. Isn't it beautiful? You could give that teddy a big cuddle. So well done to both Kevin and Heidi. Lovely work, guys. Somebody's been doing a lot of work on their numbers. Somebody's mum has told me that he can recognise all his numbers and has even started to add them all together. I wonder who that can be. It's Jacob Whitley in Dustbath Koch. Huge well done to you. Diane, Jacob. We're proud of you. Now this is an achievement in itself. Look, George here has been fishing in his back garden. And look at the size of the fish that he's caught. Aren't we impressed with him? Let's say he's done a good job. Well done, George. Somebody's been a good girl using the toilet this week, and we're very proud of this little one. Let's say a huge well done to Mika. Congratulations, Mika. We're very happy with you. Lots and lots of good work going on in Purple Mash this week. So this is just a little snapshot of some of the work that's come in from Dosbath Envis. So we're very proud of Fionn, who's drawn a birthday cake for Mark. But not just a beautiful birthday cake, a cake with 11 candles on, because Mark is celebrating his 11th birthday. So well done, Fionn, a lovely piece of work. There's a great lost dog picture here from Dylan. So Dylan has got a picture of that dog who's hopefully not lost any longer. His name, his contact details, where to find him. He's even offering a reward. Well done, Dylan. Lots of information in that poster. And we've got a picture here of an animal that Sean has designed. Well done to each and every one of you in Dosbath Envis for some great Purple Mash work. Well done. But they're not the only ones that have been busy on Purple Mash. Pilly Palla have done amazing work as well. There's a beautiful picture of a spring garden there, And Chloe's not just drawn her garden, she's drawn herself on the swing next to a blossom tree. How beautiful is that? Well done, Chloe. That's a lovely piece of work. And then Mark has drawn us a beautiful rainbow there. So well done to everybody in Pilly Pala that's doing good Purple Mash work. But they're not the only ones busy on Purple Mash. Let's see what Dosbath Puffer have been up to. Jessica has filled her shopping trolley full of healthy food. Well done, Jess. That's what I need to do a bit more of. And Abby has done a hand washing poster telling us all how important it is that we wash our hands to keep those nasty germs away. So well done, both of you. Big, big clap for everybody in Pawful that is doing great work. So here's our special awards. And you've got your hands ready, you've got your knees ready, because let's find out who Boy of the Week this week is. Ready? Boy of the Week this week is dum 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 Sasan. Sasan has been doing lots of work on his tablet and his mum is really pleased with him. He can even go onto YouTube and find our proud video, so he watches that lots. So sending lots of love to you, Sasan, and you have made us feel proud of you today. So a big round of applause for Sasan, who is our Boy of the Week. Well done. Are you ready for Girl of the Week? Ready for the drum roll? So Girl of the Week this week is dum 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 dum. Who recognises this little girl? It's Bella. So Bella's mum sent me a nice lot of photos of all the things that Bella has been doing to make her mum especially proud of her this week. She's been learning to spell by playing Scrabble. She's been writing shopping lists. She's been out in the garden walking and planting seeds. And I'm going to show you a video now of Bella eating baked beans with a fork. Not even I can do that without making a mess. So let's see if this works. Can you see her on the telly?
Right, Bella's going to demonstrate using a fork. Whoa, that was good. Try some scooping from the back of the plate. Up here, that's the back of the plate, isn't it? Well, maybe
There she is.
yeah, okay. That's it. Oh, that was really good. Oh, from the middle. Oh my goodness. Oh, you just dropped a bean. Oh dear, we have beanage in the lap. Right, try from the outside edges, Bella. Try from over there. Whoa, look at that. Not too fast. Slow down. Do you like your dad with beans? He likes beans, doesn't he? Oh, very good. Very, very good. Right, do it nicely. You're being silly. You're being silly now. We have good beanage eating. We just had a bit of a meltdown, didn't we, Bella? He was like, I can't do it. Never, ever, ever. Okay, I'm ending it now. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, audience. Bye.
Bye to you, Bella. Well done. I'm really impressed that you can eat all those beans with a fork and only drop one. Incredible. So there she is, our Girl of the Week, Bella. Oh, Class of the Week this week. It's been stiff competition and most class teachers wanted to nominate their Class of the Week this week. But the winner and the Class of the Week is dum bum 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 Dosbath Seren. Yeah, Georgina is really pleased with everything that you've been doing, Dosbath Seren. It's really put a smile on her face when she's been talking to your mums and dads through the week. This little one made her particularly happy. So Paddy, your mum is really pleased with you that you've been such a good boy. And I know you're watching us on the videos and you're looking at us on YouTube and you're pausing and showing your mum when you find me or Georgina or Deanne. So it's lovely to know that you're enjoying your time with us. So well done to Paddy and to Vanessa, whose mum is also very pleased with her for being a good work girl, and she's trying her best to do her work. So Paddy, Vanessa and all the children in Dosbarth Seren, well done to you all. Surprised faces there. Can you show me a surprised face? Because look, I'm going to tell you a secret. Now, next week there won't be a special mention assembly because it's Friday is a bank holiday. So hopefully you'll all be enjoying the sunshine and having picnics in your back garden or even your front garden, celebrating VE Day and commemorating that special day. But because there won't be a special mention assembly, I'll be doing something special for you instead on the Thursday. So have a look at our YouTube channel, subscribe to it if you can. It doesn't cost anything, but it means you get a notification that there's a new video to watch. And on Thursday, I'll be in touch to show you something special, okay? So, we're ready to finish with the school prayer. So, hands together. And let's get Tash helping us with the school prayer. Thank you, God, for Riverbank School. Thank you for the things we do. Sometimes we like them, sometimes we don't. Please help us when we need it most. We need your love to keep us safe and love each other day by day. Amen. So here we are, we need to blow out the candle and we'll know that Special Mention Assembly is finished for another week. So you ready? Here we are, Special Mention Assembly is finished. We won't see you here next week, but I will see you on that YouTube channel for a nice surprise.